Ranganathan, quick point. Mr. Dubey, Tariq Khan, मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास.
Yeah. Because my name was mentioned.
Okay.
Now, please.
No, Mr. Saravanan, I'll come to you, sir. Let Dr. Ranganathan come in. I'm coming to you for a response.
I'm asking the anchor. Why are you bothered?
No, I'll come to you. Mr. Saravanan, I'll come to you.
Yeah, thank you. You know, this guy, this DMK Spokey, his intellect shines through like a carbon paper in a coal mine. I have 2 points to make. Number one, the debate tonight is not about somebody else's statement. It is very clearly about what the Prime Minister said. Clearly, he did not come prepared for this debate and he's tried to derail it. Nonetheless, even if he's derailed it, I want you, Pranesh, to quote verbatim what he is alleging, because to believe this Mr. Saravanan is to believe Hafiz Saeed on peace or Taliban on feminism. I'm sure 100% that he is quoting whatever the BJP MP has said wrongly. So I request you to quote, and if I find that she has said, as DMK Spokey has alleged, that all Tamilians are terrorists, I will absolutely vociferously protest against it. But I doubt very much that this guy Saravanan, obviously he is a lawyer I meant, he is obviously lying. I doubt very much that the BJP MP would have said all Tamilians are terrorists.
Are you an author?
If she has, Pranesh,
or what?
you quote it.
No, we have that reaction. We can play it out. We have that reaction of Shobha Karandalaje. You know, just to.
What do you think?
No. Let's not get personal, please, gentlemen. Please, let's not get personal, please. I beg both of you, please. Let's not derail the debate, please. Do not get personal, Dr. Ranganathan, Mr. Saravanan, please. Let's quickly play out. This is what Shobha Karandalaje has said.
Why do you think you are superior? Why is that superiority complex oozing from your every pore?
This guy.
No. 1 minute. Dr. Ranganathan, Mr. Saravanan, please. No. 1 minute. Please. Gentlemen, please.
Give me respect.
Trying to derail your
Give me
debate.
respect.
Let's play out Shobha Karandalaje.
Who are you? You are a proxy.
We have played out that reaction. It played out in 7:30 also. Not the first time that it played out. So, you know, we have it ready. We can play it out.
Like a leaf.
We can play it out. But Mr. Saravanan, do you want to rephrase what you said before I play out the reaction?
Yes.
He said all Tamilians are terrorists.
Yes.
This guy, this hoax.
Yeah.
This hoax said all Tamilians are terrorists.
Let him respond, Dr. Ranganathan, please.
The BJP leader had said the Tamils have come here and planted a bomb. That is what she had said. Exactly what she had said. It is here. Just a moment.
It was told by the BJP MP, all Tamils are terrorists. Pranesh, please play this guy's soundbite again.
People from Tamil Nadu come here. People from Tamil Nadu come here, get trained there and plants bomb here. Placed bomb in a cafe. What does this mean? People from Tamil Nadu come here,
let me quote.
Get trained there, plant bombs here. What does this mean? What does this mean? This is what she had said. What
okay,
does this
listen to what was said. 1 minute. Listen to what was said. This is Shobha Karandalaje.
कम्युनल इशू करने वाले कांग्रेस वाले हैं. तमिलनाडु से आता है, बम रखता है. दूसरे विधानसभा में पाकिस्तानी जिंदाबाद बोलता है. केरल से आता है, एसिड रखता है. इधर हनुमान 40 कौन सीधी प्ले किया, उसको मारता है. ये केवल कांग्रेस के कारण हो रही है. कांग्रेस मुसलमान को मदद दे रहे हैं, टेररिस्ट को मदद दे रहे हैं. इसके कारण ये सब हो रही है.
आज वो कह रहे हैं कि हिंदू लोगों का भी गिरफ्तारी हुआ है, तो ये इशू हिंदू मुस्लिम का नहीं है.
ये कांग्रेस वाले हिंदुओं को ऊपर डालना चाहते हैं. मुसलमान मारा, हिंदुओं को केस लगाया. ये केवल कांग्रेस का. इधर का मंत्री कौन है, एमएलए कौन है, उसका खेल है.
Now, there's another reaction in which, let me just quote, Mr. Saravanan, here's what she said. I'm quoting, sir. One person comes from Tamil Nadu and plants a bomb in a cafe. One person, she says. Another man comes from Delhi, raises pro-Pak slogans in Vidhan Sauda. Another man comes from Kerala, throws acid at college students. Quote unquote, Shobha Karandalaje. Mr. Saravanan. Dr. Ranganathan. Yeah.
Saravanan apologized. Saravanan was saying that BJP
See, let me. This is.
Tamilians come and Tamilians have been branded terrorists. This shameless guy should apologize.
That is what she
This
said.
DMK
That is
shill.
that is the. I read verbatim what was there in the tweet.
What do you mean
I read
verbatim?
what
You
was
just quoted
there
fake
verbatim in the
right now.
tweet. Verbatim that was there in the
Apologize right
tweet that
now.
was translated not by me. That was
I
not
know you can't
translated by
understand
me.
any language.
That was not translated
But
by
can
me.
you at least
See,
listen?
the question is this. The question is
do
this.
these guys come from?
Who is she?
Where are these
Who
guys
is
homeschooled?
she to speak
Get a
all these
person
things?
from-
Will the Prime Minister
now
apologize?
stop
Will the Prime
stop
Minister
shifting your
apologize
goalposts.
for the statements she had
You
made?
should be
That is the
apologizing for
question.
the blatant lies. Your
Is this
clients would be worried
statements
now.
approved by the Prime Minister?